Did you know that a single bolt of lightning has enough energy to toast 100,000 pieces of bread? You're gonna need a lot of jelly for that toast. Welcome to Shockers on the Street, our new segment where we answer the important questions. Let's go out right now to Maddie, who's out on the street asking students these questions to get their serious answers.
Good morning, Shockers! We are out here on the streets, or in our case, our glorious sidewalks with flowers to observe. My name is Madison, and I will be taking the streets to interview the students. Today, let's go out and see what people think about our beloved mascot, Woo. If Woo was a contestant on America's Got Talent, what would his talent be?
I think if Woo was on America's Got Talent, he would be a bomb singer. That's what I think would happen.
Rock on.
Probably a comedian. Probably being a comedian, comedy.
They can't talk, so it wouldn't be singing. I don't know, maybe dancing.
I don't know, being a good dancer.
I don't know. I guess just jumping around and dancing.
Does Woo prefer the chicken sandwich from Popeyes or from Chick-fil-A?
Oh, Chick-fil-A.
Why?
I think it's better than Popeyes.
I agree.
I really have no clue. I guess maybe Chick-fil-A. He strikes me as a classic kind of guy, but I don't really know.
Neither do we.
I'd say not Popeyes because it's bring your own bun and Woo can't go to the grocery store.
I'm gonna have to go with Chick-fil-A.
Well, I can honestly say I've been to Popeyes a few times now to try to get their chicken sandwich, and they're always out. So I might have to go with Chick-fil-A on this one.
And what about you?
I'd have to go with Chick-fil-A as well. It's a lot more sweeter.
If Woo was in a band, what instrument would he play?
Sax, for sure.
The drums. Yeah.
Definitely the guitar. Got
Would he-
so much soul.
Would he be like a bass guitar player or an electric guitar player?
Oh, electric guitar, for sure. For sure.
Would shred. Well, this concludes the first segment of Shockers on the Street. And we got some great answers about our beloved Woo. Now, go have a great day, Shockers. Pow, pow,